Before 2 weeks, you had same problem. Nobody convinced you to be focused, to be calm, not to be confused. Nobody is telling you. Mama is not telling, nobody is telling you. Nevertheless, your body is calm. Why it is happening? Because now the software of your mind and your body has been changed. It's more cool, it's more calm. So now you have to decide what is good for you.
Yeah. I really recommend. Why do young teens feel so stressed at a young age?
Okay, right. So, what happens whenever, the teenagers, boys or girls, whenever they enter into their young age, so suddenly at the age of 14 or 15, the chemistry of their body starts changing, right? So the chemistry changes. Why? Because before 14, before 13 or before 12, the body is of a bit kaph prakriti. Kaph, that is, you understand that, no? Right. But after 14, fire element increases in the body.
Yeah.
Right. Because in the young age, people need a lot of activity, a lot of energy. So that's why for that energy, body increases, the nature of the body increases the fire element, right? Whenever the fire element increases in the body, suddenly young boy or girls gets a lot of power,
Yeah.
okay? And because of fire element, the movement of air in the body starts flowing in a faster direction. Air movement is responsible for our body movement. So whatever you are doing, like you are moving somewhere, anywhere out, whatever action you are doing or whatever thinking you have, or even the thought process also depends upon the air quantity or the nature of the air which is there in our body. We can say the bulk of thoughts starts coming. Every thought is the road map of a brain.
Yeah.
If thought is not coming, you are not able to do anything. In the morning, you get up in the morning, before leaving the bed, a thought comes in your mind and it indicates or gives a route map to your brain that you have to move in this direction because you have certain work to perform. Right? So the thought is the road map of brain. But suppose what happens if suddenly multiple road maps comes in front of your brain or multiple commands comes in your brain? So where will a person will go or what performance they will perform? So this is the main point of confusion. Suddenly a lot of thought starts coming. So this creates a lot of confusion. But to minimize that confusion, you have started that water therapy.
Yeah.
Right? So, Anna, how are you feeling now, the moment you started?
Before, I was very impatient, angry, not able to make solid decisions, constantly mood swings, forgetful, had negative thoughts. And after 5 weeks of doing it, I'm more patient, calm, quick decision making, always positive, physically and mentally less heavy, better communication, better concentration, and mind is more clear. Yeah.
All right. So, since how long you have been feeling like this?
After 2 weeks.
So, you have started that water therapy like 1.25 liters of water you have started taking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you, Anna?
15.
Only 15. Okay, very nice. So only since 2 weeks you have been using this water therapy, and only within 2 weeks you are facing such kind of positive effect on your body
Yeah.
and your mind. That's very nice. That's very nice. And now you can notice the changes in your body or in your brain.
Yes, a lot.
The same thing happens with any young people. If it is happening with you, then it can happen to everybody.
Yeah.
So what here the performance of water is the water minimizes the outburst of fire.
Yeah.
Right, fire is there, but with the help of that water, fire is controlled. And when the fire is controlled, definitely flow of air is also controlled in the body.
Yeah.
And the air is controlled means the thought, the bunch of thoughts which used to go in your brain as a command, now they are minimizing.
Yeah.
So that's why it is very clear to your mind what you have to do, what you have to perform. Right now? If suppose before 2 weeks you had same problem, nobody convinced you to be focused, to be calm, not to be confused. Nobody is telling you. Mama is not telling, nobody is telling you. Nevertheless, your body is calm. Why it is happening? Because now the software of your mind and your body has been changed. It's more cool, it's more calm. So now you have to decide what is good for you.
Yeah. I really recommend the water therapy. It's really beneficial. Even so cool. And even my little sister started doing it as well, drinking a cup, a whole cup. Yeah.
Have you suggest to your young people or young friends like schoolmates?
This is something I highly recommend for kids my age, and to do every day, especially students my age. Sitting in that Asian squat position and doing these exercises, it's really important, as well as drinking the water. It's important to do it because it cleans out your stomach and also cleaning out your mind. It teaches us, this whole experiment also teaches persistence and commitment, which is really important for growing teens like me.
Okay. But initially they don't like to have that much water. What will you say?
If you don't like it at the start, but once you start doing it more and more and every day, you get used to it. It's fine.
So gradually by the course of time they will be habituated.
Yeah, you get used to it. I have for some of my friends. Yeah.
So here, this therapy plays a very important role. First of all, it calm down your body, detoxify your body. And the moment your body is detoxified, your brain gets very calm situation, very cool situation. And the performance of your mind increases the more your brain is in a peaceful situation. If you are in a stress situation, the performance decreases, the performance of the brain decreases.
Yeah.
So this is, we can say, the secret of your unconfused mind,
Yeah.
cool and calm mind. So I think this is applicable for everyone, every young people.
And after doing all those exercises as well, we also started increasing the meditation times from 5 minutes to 7 minutes. We're at 7 minutes now, and we'll keep increasing it.
Okay, very nice, very nice. At the age of 15, you are meditating.
Yeah.
Yes, you see, I have seen a lot of people even before 40, even before 50, they are not in a position to sit even for 5 minutes. It's hard for them. So it's great achievement.
Yeah.
Yes.
And my sister does meditation as well with us.
Very nice. So it's a great achievement for you, like you are meditating now. Okay. And what about that clapping exercise?
Yeah, that's really good as well. My handwriting is really nice and cursive as well. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And mine's more.
Very nice. And even your it plays a very important role on your sleep.
Yeah.
You can enjoy a sound sleep.
Yeah, doing all those exercises, drinking all that water made me have better sleep at night as well because my mind's closed. I'm not having any thoughts come in. It's all nice and clear. I go to bed. I have a good sleep.
Very nice. So any other thing you have to ask?
Is multitasking healthy for everyone?
Yeah. So what do you mean by multitasking here?
Like doing my assignment while listening to music. Is that good or no?
Okay. At the time of a study, you listen music.
Yeah.
Or at the time of exercise, you listen music.
doing my assignment and listening to music at the same time.
Okay. You see, the role of music is music triggers or stimulates the vibration of the body.
Yeah.
It triggers the feeling. It triggers the emotion. Right? Yes. So the moment whenever you are listening to music, your emotion goes high. Okay? Yeah. Because whatever you are doing, like you are completing your assignment, you are doing your exercise or study and whatever you are doing, that every performance is performed by the energy of your mind. And the mental energy enhances at the time of emotional being. The more emotional being you are, the more mental capacity will increase. Yeah. But it has other side effect. Side effect is that if you are listening to music and there is some silent communication, some words are there in that music, so you will flow, your mind will flow in the direction of that word. It will start imagining something different from you.
Yeah.
You will become, or you will go out of your brain.
Yeah. Got it.
So here it's good. It's good. You can see, like in the parties, before the music starts, like fast music starts, the people are very cool and calm. They are sitting or standing very sophisticatedly. They are not at all jumping or dancing and all. But the moment when music starts on an upper beat, the sound is very high, suddenly the man or the woman, they are very much civilized. Nevertheless, they start jumping, they start dancing. Why? Because of that vibration, their body start vibrating.
Yeah.
Their body becomes more emotional, and the person forgets that we have to be or behave like a sophisticated person. But suppose you are putting your music down, suddenly they think, oh my God, what I was doing, what people will say about me. So they are feeling shame. Why I was jumping like that, na?
Yeah.
But what was making them to jump? That music.
Yeah.
So the music is good, but if music is creating more thought in your brain, it's not good.
Yeah.
Like I have seen many people, they exercise and they listen music.
Yeah.
But listen music without verbal communication.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only instrumental music, but there should not be any communication.
Yeah.
It means the music should not be responsible to generate new thought in your brain.
Yeah. I'll keep that in mind.
Yeah. So your brain will stop focusing on your exercise. It will start thinking on other things.
Yeah.
And for concentration, you should work one thing at a time.
Yeah.
The more concentrated you are, the more mental capacity will increase.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome.